Basically allowed me to do whatever I want to do with the car. Car came to me bone stock, so we ended up putting together a 4G63 package. We did a 2.3 stroker. It's an RW1000 essentially. Oh. 2.3 stroker, our stage 3 cylinder head. ETS 6466 forward facing. ETS 5-inch intercooler. It's got a PPG dog box in it. Quartermaster twin disc. Olin's coilovers. Drive shaft shop axles, hubs, the whole works. Like it's a complete car. And he wanted something that was essentially as bulletproof as it could possibly be, especially going to New York. So we put the package together. The car is absolutely beautiful and one of my favorite cars I've ever done.
Not bad at all, sir. Wow.
20 pounds.
Yeah. What's your plan of attack on this one?
Probably going to go somewhere about 25, 26 pounds on pump. Should make close to, I guess, 500 or somewhere in there. Yeah. And nothing too crazy on pump gas. We're doing flex fuel mass in this car, so we'll leave the big boost for ethanol.
Yeah.
Nice and simple on pump gas.
Nice. So while they're messing around with the tune and stuff, I just want to take a quick little break and have a quick chat with you guys. All you guys who've been around watching this channel for a long time, you know that I had an Evo. And God, it's killing me right now seeing this Evo 9 on the dyno, and I'm sitting there like thinking about my car and like, oh my God. You know, I have the 2016 STI. Somebody, just make me an offer on the damn thing so I can get another Evo, please. Like, that was, oh God. Not talking about the GC, I'll keep that one. The 2016 STI that I have, it's got 19,000 miles. Let's get that son of a bitch sold. We can get Boostaholics another Evo. How's she doing?
Good. Getting the air fuel dialed in, just plugged the boost controller in, got that turned on, playing with the boost a little bit, and just getting it dialed in slowly, one pull at a time.
ECU flash.
ECU flash.
Wow.
Old school.
It is, isn't it? This really just makes 600?
Yeah.
What the fuck? On 93.
Yeah.
No methanol, no funny business.
No funny business.
600 on 93. Oh, the stroker. Ah, stroker.
A 2.3, so at this boost level, you can do the math and displacement to figure out, but yeah, on a 2-liter, it would take quite a bit more boost than this.
Yeah.
And that was about 25, 26 up top pounds of boost, so that's about where we'll stop on pump gas. But I mean, the torque curve is completely flat.
Yeah.
It's a road race car. Should be a ton of fun.
Go good? Yeah, go look.
Oh,
600 on pump gas.
that's awesome.
Oh shit. I'll take a picture of that for him.
Yeah.
He'll be happy.
Oh, dude, this thing is beautiful. What a beast. Oh, dude, it's been a while since I've been in an Evo. This is gonna be fun. Oh boy.
It's only pump gas.
Yeah, but it's still gonna be fun though. Just for old time's sake. Oh, isn't that trans? So these are straight cut PPGs? Or it's still helical?
No, it's helical.
Okay.
Still just a big, broad gear, you know?
Yeah.
They're still whiny as heck.
Wow. Dude, your shifting is on point, man. That was right.
I told you.
Oh, wow.
Drivability, though.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
You hear the gearbox, all you hear is whine.
Oh, it is too, isn't it? Yeah, she's got it. Oh, dude.
That feels really good.
Wow. That's crazy. So this is just on 93. That's the crazy part. This isn't, you know, E85 or anything like that. This is just pump gas, man. And it made 600?
600.
That's insane. So you can actually daily a dog box.
You know how to drive them? Yes.
But it's just not ideal, I guess. One could
It
say.
just
It's a
they're
little rough.
expensive to rebuild. When you have to, I believe the dogs, essentially a synchro, they can be cut. I think up to 3 times, depending on how wore they are.
Oh shit.
But you have to take it apart, send them off, have them cut. They have a taper to them, and that's what locks them in place.
Oh.
So once the taper starts to wear, or they start to round on the edge, they'll
Yeah.
actually pop out of gear.